All right, we'll touch on a couple of do and don't tips from Interface. Do document all testing and calibration procedures, results, and observations. Maintaining consistency from test to test is critical, and maintaining consistency in the calibration process is also critical. If that doesn't happen, that's where inconsistencies in results can start popping up and puts test results into question. That same regard, don't ignore equipment calibration checks. Absolutely critical. Of course, we say annual here. That's going to be up to whatever your verification interval is, but making sure all of your equipment is in calibration to guarantee valid results is absolutely important. Always prioritize safety and follow safety protocols and guidelines. We've talked a couple times in this presentation about what happens when DOTs break, making sure personnel are indeed out of harm's way, and trying to analyze what potential for harm there could be and putting mitigating steps in place. Don't dismiss quality control issues or deviations from established standards. If something changes from a process to a process over time, don't let that slip. That's how escapes happen there. Equipment maintenance. I know here at the factory, we do daily, weekly, and monthly checks on all of our calibration equipment. You have to check these things regularly to make sure that we're getting the accuracy and the reliability we need to produce very high quality product. The same thing goes for testing for either product development or for product validation. Don't use equipment or instruments that are not calibrated or functioning properly. Again, that relates back to potential product escape or perhaps errant test results as a result of out of calibration or broken potentially sensors. Staying current on industry trends, standards, and regulations. It is neat to see some of the new instrumentation options and load cell solutions and other instrumentation solutions. Software is really coming a long way, and that technology is continuing to develop, and there's always advantages that can be found if you're staying close to those industry trends. Don't rush testing or calibration procedures or take shortcuts that compromise accuracy or reliability or safety. So don't let, people are always in a hurry, but don't let that affect the end result. And then don't resist change or innovation in testing and calibration practices. Again, that kind of relates back to that staying current on industry trends.